Logan. Come here. Come see me. Come here.
Oh, there he goes.
Yeah, come on. Come on, buddy.
He's crawling. Yeah, he can do his arms with his knees, then he gets stuck, and then he
dances
he
for a
walks
while.
with his arms, and then he falls with his belly.
Come on, buddy.
Go, Logie,
It's
go!
turning on right now.
Go,
It's going on
Logie!
right now.
Oh, he's backing up.
Yeah,
Reverse.
sometimes he gets frustrated and goes like really far back.
Oh, we gotta hit play
What's
here.
Macy doing?
Wish.
Logie, you keep crawling. Come here.
Grant.
Going in reverse.
Logie. Macy, get Logan to crawl.
He's just sitting there.
Oh, he gave up. Crawl to Silsey.
Silsey.
He left.
Do it again, Mace. Do it again, Mace. Alright, can you pause it?
They're both like, wait, TV?
Do it again, Mace. Careful, honey. Mace. Gentle, gentle.
See, be gentle.
Thank you.
Macy, get him to crawl towards you. Look at, he's about to crawl.
Come here, Logie.
Get him to crawl.
I'll do it.
Okay,
You'll
you
do it?
There he goes. You gotta call him.
Nothing's toward me. That will work.
Nothing's toward me. There he goes. Hey, Brent.
Yes.
Can you grab the truck?
Come on, babe, get it. Get it, buddy. Get it, buddy.
Gotta get a little bit closer to him.
Can you sing the Logie song to him? Maybe he'll come.
He said stop.
He's coming!
can roll it to him.
Okay. Roll.
It doesn't roll very well, huh?
Roll.
Can you cross his feet? With his socks on or something. Get a sock. He's bouncing.
He's inching backwards.
Logie! Come here, bud.
Got a Bruce Willis movie, by the way, I want to watch with you. It's one that
Logie.
was on VHS that you can't buy. And so
Logie.
Steve took it from
Hi.
VHS and transferred it to DVD.
Hi.
It's a comedy. It's like
What are you
Look, he's
doing?
turning around. Okay. Oh, look, he's going backwards. Go, Logie! Are you going backwards? Are you going the wrong way? Back to your bum.
yeah. Try again.
He's like, I'm kind of stuck here, guys.
Your sock is coming off, that's for sure.
Just pull him off. Go get it, Logie. Go get it.
I'm working on this. Okay? I'm working on
Gonna roll there.
Your sock's about to come off.
Mace, can you pull Logie's socks off?
Sure.
He's gonna roll away from you. Good job. Good job, Mace. See your little chubby feet? Roll, Logie, roll!
You want a Logie roll? Oh, a hoagie roll?
A Logie roll. Oh. He has two, Logie Bear and a Logie roll.
Is that comfy?
Oh, he's
You
busy.
can grab his toes.
He might suck on his toes. Thanks to do that without socks on.
Do you know this song, Macy?